This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Evelyn Thomas. This lovely 4-bedroom 2-half-bath home is on a quiet cul-de-sac in sought-after Burbage Grant. The primary bedroom has an ensuite bath and features a walk-in closet. A spacious laundry room and powder room are on the first floor. It boasts a formal dining room and large family room with a wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen has loads of counter space and tons of cabinets. The double-car garage has a garage door opener. The large fenced-in backyard with storage shed and patio is great for entertaining. Roof 2015, upstairs windows replaced 2018. The amenities include pool, tennis courts, clubhouse, and playgrounds. Convenient to shopping, restaurants, medical facilities, Naval Medical Center, Coast Guard Base, interstates, and only minutes to Norfolk. See this one today. For more information, review the details below or contact Evelyn Thomas at 757-650-2449.